Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
It was a soaking start to our Thursday. We had rounds of heavy rain, but as we've gone through the early evening hours, skies have peeled back, and now we have lots of clearing out there across a large portion of the Susquehanna Valley. Right now, 60 degrees in Carlisle with a stiff breeze gusting to 18 miles per hour, primarily out of the west. You can see all the action is lifting to the north of the Susquehanna Valley, but more clouds are starting to move back in, and we still have some isolated showers in the form of some sprinkles right now in western portions of York County, just there to the northeast of Spring Grove, and also one little rogue shower working its way through parts of western Mifflin County. Now, I do expect the clouds will break up as we go through the next couple of hours, but more clouds will build back in later tonight thanks to the secondary of low pressure that's now working its way into northwestern Pennsylvania. So some clearing out there, breezy and seasonable with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s with the gusts up to near 20 miles per hour. But after midnight, I expect the clouds to thicken back up. Could see an isolated shower as we get closer to dawn, and then the winds will start to pick up and they will stay up through the day tomorrow. Highs will be in the mid to upper 50s. A few spots will make a run at 60 degrees, but the winds will be intense, possibly gusting up to near 50 miles per hour. That's what makes tomorrow an impact day and why we have a wind advisory that goes into effect tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and remains in effect until midnight on Saturday. Wind gusts again at times up near 40 miles per hour, but few isolated spots could see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Winds will start to dip a bit, but they're still going to be at an annoying level for trick-or-treating tomorrow evening, so just be prepared for temperatures to be in the 50s with that strong breeze out there. Feels like temperatures after sunset will start dipping down into the 40s, but trick-or-treating tomorrow does look dry. Just be prepared for those strong winds. Made it to 65 for our high today, start the day off at 48, and we had a record rainfall for the day, 1.87 inches of rain for the calendar day. But if you go back to late yesterday evening when the rain started across the valley, much of the Susquehanna Valley picked up more than 2 inches of rain. Close to 3 inches of rain in a few spots, more than 2 inches of rain in Fort Indian Town Gap in Lebanon County, a little over an inch and a half in Cashtown and Adams County. Right now in Cashtown, it's 57 degrees. It's 61 if you're watching us in Elizabethtown, Lancaster County. So temperatures did rise into the 60s across much of the valley thanks to that little brief bit of sunshine as we went through the early evening hours. But there's the cooler air off to our west and the windier air off to our west. Notice that wind gust of 37 miles per hour back towards Cleveland. So it's this area of low pressure that's spinning right there along the Ohio and Pennsylvania line that starts working its way a little closer to us. Notice on the predictor, the clouds start moving back in. I do expect lots of clouds will be out there tomorrow morning. Not going to rule out an isolated shower as we head through the day, but the big weather story tomorrow is going to be those strong gusty winds. Now the winds will start to relax heading on into Saturday, but still going to be breezy out there. The weekend ahead looks like it is going to be dry with lighter winds for your Sunday. We have a nice dry stretch of weather throughout much of next week. Could see some spotty showers for next Thursday, and then shower chances will rise again late next weekend.